Hi everyone, Harry here from ShopBlocks. Today we're diving into the Business Customers plugin, a great tool for B2B companies. Do you cater to businesses that require multiple user accounts with individual logins, yet need a unified view of quotes, orders, addresses and billing details? Our Business Customers feature is designed to streamline just that. Let's take a look.
In the Settings menu, you have the flexibility to manage data links between customers, toggle settings for references, addresses, custom fields and category visibility as needed for your business. For now, let's sync addresses between customers. Here's our current manager's account. We'll use this to link new customer accounts too. You can see here that the John Doe is linked to ABC Limited, has an address, and currently in the company overview, he's the only person within the company. So let's go and create a new customer to be added to the ABC Limited account. So if we go to Customers, Add Customer, fill in the relevant details, hit Save, and if we scroll down to the Linked Company section, we can search for the company we need, which is ABC Limited. Click on Link to Company, and you can see this customer has now been brought across the address from the manager's account, and in the company overview we can see Jane and John are now associated with the company. So let's go place an order with Jane, and let's see the order appear in both accounts. Okay, I've just finished placing an order. So this is Jane's account section, and in her orders you can see the order I've just placed here. Now let's log in as the manager. So I'm now logged in on the front end as the John Doe manager's account. So if I go to orders, I can see the order that was placed by Jane in my account area. So what if your customers want to manage their company profiles themselves? This is easily done. Let's go back to the manager's account and I'll show you how to invite new members. So here in the manager's account area, if you go to the company tab here, you'll see a section called Invite New Member. All you need to do is simply add in the email address of the additional customer you'd like to invite to the company, and that will send them an email to a link to the front end of the site where they can log in and be linked to the company. So here's the link that the customer received after receiving the invitation. So they just simply need to create an account, and add in their password. Now the customer is logged into their new account, and in the account area they can see the order placed by Jane previously, and this is where all members of the ABC Limited company will be able to see their orders. Also in the admin area, you can also see in the company overview that all three members of the company are now linked to the ABC Limited company. All this functionality is also available via the API.
That's the power of the Business Customers plugin. If you're looking to engage major B2B clients and enable their entire teams to make purchases seamlessly, this tool is crucial. It not only facilitates self-service for setting up purchasing teams, but also ensures consistency in orders using fixed addresses and references. Plus, with our ShopBlocks API, integrating business customers into your existing CRM or ERP systems is straightforward. This integration allows your e-commerce site to operate seamlessly with your broader business's infrastructure, maintaining the same security, control, and pricing rules each time a customer logs in to place an order. Get in touch with your ShopBlocks Customer Success Manager if you'd like help setting up the Business Customers plugin.